District-wise percentage of pass of the candidate of the science streams and the number of candidates who appear and pass. East Khasi Hill District 75.32%, West Khasi Hill 59.41%, Ribhoi is 62.65%, West Garo Hill 68.47%, East Garo Hill 71.23%, South Garo Hill 50%, Southwest Khasi Hill 63%, West Jaintia Hill 71%, East Jaintia Hill 63%, North Garo Hill 61%, Southwest Garo Hill 100%, East and West Khasi Hill 66.26%, and the overall total is 71.62% of passes of all the district. And in terms of candidate, Kenya kajingbun jadi candidate deh kalau ka East Khasi Hill kawan saka West Garo Hill dan saka West Jaintia Hill naki science stream kene pat ndaya ken sanaka commerce stream East Khasi Hill pass percentage 85.82%, West Khasi Hill 100%, Ribhoi 88%, West Garo Hill 68%, East Garo Hill 94%, South Garo Hill nil, Southwest Khasi Hill 74.58%, West Jaintia Hill 78.48%, East Jaintia Hill 91.84%, North Garo Hill 50%, Southwest Garo Hill nil, East and West Khasi Hill 89.02%, and overall is 83.63% of passes. Để kênh biang ni kajing bun ji candidate kane kan wan baik East Khasi Hill, wan saka West Garo Hill, dan saka West Jaintia Hill ya kajing bun jung candidate. Okay, datang gini ke